Yo, what's up, YouTube? I told you I'll be back with the after hairs down my face because I just latched it. So yeah, I'll go ahead and give y'all the look. Hopefully y'all can see, because I can't see. Just like Zaylock would say, check 'em out, check 'em out. Shout out Zaylock. Alright, we're back. I'm trying. Can't really get back there. Sorry, y'all. Alright, yo. Hopefully y'all can see something, but hold up. Hopefully y'all can see, but hold up. I'm gonna show you what I was using. Damn. I actually left it in the room, but I had a little paper clip with some tape wrapped around the end. And let's use that. So, alright, y'all. See y'all in October 3rd. That's my 1 year. 1 year. And I'll update you then. Alright, I'll probably have a little update between that, but really right now that's all I'm looking at is that. So alright, y'all, peace.